Hi, I want to mentor and teach people about investing for the rest of their lives. Okay, mentoring for the rest of their lives from me. And what I want them to do is use software such as this. It's free. I'll provide it to you. I'll tell you how in a second. Okay, so that, and then teach them so that they can learn the things that one should look at. Teaching them everything from what symbols to look at, the kind of data within that they should be examining. Why am I looking at the historical chart here, in this case of Apple? Why do I look at short interest, which is a measure of the percentage of people who expect the price to fall, the big institutions? And you can see here at the moment for Apple, very few people expect it to fall, which gives you some idea. It's not 100% guaranteed. It gives you some idea that they actually expect it to rise. Why do I look at, and so you know what to look at, why do I look at the percentage the price is off the price target that the analysts and the institutions like Goldman Sachs think it should be at? So when it's a large way away from its projected price target, you would expect the price to rise. And when it's not in the opposite direction, you'd expect actually it's overvalued and it may well fall. It's not 100% target, but I go into details of teaching them what to look at, how and why. Also, analyst ratings. This is 4 out of 5, not the highest it could be. The idea should be that when the analysts are rating it high, it's a good purchase. At the moment, you can see whilst it's been falling, the ratings have increased. In other words, they're saying buy, 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 buy this. Okay. And we'll also look at things such as the future projections that the analysts have of the profits of the company. Now, at the moment, they don't think they've revised them downwards. They think there's a problem with Apple's profitability. So we'd have to put all these factors and we'd look at others, which I train you on, other things to look at, whether it's technicals, correlations, all sorts of these things, so that you can save a template, put in a ticker symbol, which I will train you on what to look for, what it means, what symbols to look at, so you can determine, yep, that's one I want to buy, and this is why. And what I do through the mentoring that I offer people on this is that I take them through a course material for them for this, again, because there's been huge demand for it. We take them through an entire course material, as I say, on all of this, so that they can learn step by step by step. And then through Telegram, WhatsApp, scheduled calls, just to make sure they're learning on how to pick stocks, how to be, essentially, I want to train them up to be professional fund managers. That's essentially it, their own fund manager. I want them to be self-reliant, not to be reliant upon expensive fund manager and investment trust, but in fact, whether it's UK companies or US, and we can look at either, and actually equities from other countries as well, have a full understanding through free software such as this. Now, if you're already a pipspredator.com apprentice, I take off the whole cost of what you've already paid to be a pipspredator.com apprentice from the lifetime mentoring on share investing. If you are not a pipspredator.com apprentice already, and you'd like to know about share investing, then drop me an email and we'll look at how we can get you onboarded as well onto this. So there's no ongoing costs, and the software that you're looking at is going to be free as well. There's no ongoing daily, weekly, monthly costs, nothing like that. But I want to try and help people at the moment. One of the ways that we've done it is we've removed the entire cost for my existing apprentices from joining my investment mentoring and apprenticeship on that. And it's lifetime mentoring from me and apprenticeship. And I want to train people up to be their own fund managers. And that's the way in which I'm doing it. Okay, so you can email me if you're a pipspredator.com apprentice. And even if you're not, email me and we'll work out how to get you on board as well. Thank you very much. Look forward to mentoring you and turning you into a professional who understands the financial markets a lot better. Thank you.